Yo, so another update of today. So today I blew my account again, which is crazy, and yeah, you can say I'm like addicted. I bought another one now on TopStep X, so I can go in with micros and I don't have to deal with the account sizes and stuff. So yeah, let's go over the trades. I took 3 trades today. Yeah, let's show which one they were. So oh yeah, it was here. I took a short here. So I was actually really bullish for today. I wanted to see these highs actually. We had a big push into Asia and London session. I said that we wanted these highs, and then even higher. I said that in the video before this. And on ES we did take all the out all the highs, but on NQ we didn't. But yeah, I was actually looking for this to happen. So if we go here, then on ES we had all these highs, which was here. The highest one was here. So we had buy side liquidity up here. Okay, there. So that was at, oh yeah, I was looking for another setup and the opening. So we had the opening. I actually want to see us go lower and then play around with this trend line a little bit, and we did respect it. I don't even know where it was. I think it was here, because we closed below for a bit. I think it was like around here, yeah. So we closed below there, and I actually want to see more of this liquidity here. We actually take it now today. Look at this drop. But yeah, took the trend line there, and I want to see those lows, but we didn't get it. So we went higher. I still want to see lower, but yeah, we went higher, and now here. This is actually a really great setup here, but I didn't get it. So here, wait, why did my time change here? That's weird. Alright, let's set it back to New York. Okay, so we swept these equal lows here, and the opening at 10 was right here. Oh yeah, we already took the highs here. Let's actually see here. Okay, wait, I didn't take a long here. Maybe oh yeah, I didn't get the entry. Okay, so here we had the 10 a.m. opening. We traded lower. Wait, what am I talking about actually? Yeah, we sweep these equal lows. Yeah, alright, that was the first setup that I was looking at. So it was one more. So we had this leg here. I want to see this get in first. So I think that was on a 2-minute. So yeah, on the 2-minute, I don't take an entry anymore once we hit the external buy side of this leg of the inversion. So this is external, but this is external already to me because we have equal highs above here. So once this high gets taken, I won't enter into the inversion. We didn't even get an entry, but still. ES took out all these highs here. This was the most external. Doesn't really matter which one. But yeah, this could be the external as well, but still. We took out that high there. And we already, from there, we went even higher. And then we went lower here. And then this was the equal highs here on the 1 hour on the bigger time frame. That was all these highs here. So from there we went lower, and what I want to see is actually I want to see it like I wanted it tested actually, like we sweep the high and then we went lower. We even take out this low, and then this is gonna be the turtle soup, and then we go lower. But there was no entry from here, so I waited, and then that was in this leg, and then we went lower here, and then on a 1 minute here we had this inversion which I took. So I entered in on the retracement. Stop above the high, and you can already see it, and then target these equal lows. So I want to see equal lows and then go higher, of course. So I want to see us like turtle soup, and we actually got it there. So I want to see us turtle soup this and then go higher from there and look for longs again. This was outside of the kill zone as well. But yeah, as you can see, I entered on this. I would have gone break even at these and then targeted 1 to 2 because this is a 1.22. So I would have never hit TP, but still. I would have gone break even. I would have gone break even at these here. But yeah, so I entered here and my stop was, wait, let me go back here. So my stop was above the second candle and then the highest point there, and as you can see, if I zoom in all the way, it's the same price. It's the same price as where my stop was. So we hit that stop, and then we just completely dropped there. And here I would put it to break even, but yeah. And then again, I would have been stopped anyway, but I would have avoided the loss there, but I got the loss there. So unfortunate, what happens. Then here could have been a nice reversal. I was looking at this, I was still in the charts, but I was sticking to my rules. I don't want to take this. I didn't want to take this, so I don't even know if there actually was a good setup here. 4 minutes, single one, yeah. Okay. Wouldn't have been TP anyways, but close above it here. We take out the external high, which is here, and yeah, there was no entry there anyway. But yeah, we went higher here, and I was still expecting higher prices. Then I was on the charts again at 13.15, so that was right here on that candle. And then we went lower, and then I saw basically all this here, and I saw that we had all these equal highs, not on NQ, but not on ES, but still on NQ. So then I saw all these equal lows here, and I wanted to see higher from there. I want to see higher prices from here, but I only, if this was the manipulation at 10 AM or 14, so I was on the charts at 13.15, so that was right here. If this was 10 or 9:30, or this was 10 or 14, then I saw this as manipulation already, and then I would take this inversion. That's my actual rules, but I actually didn't even think about it. So 13.15, I saw the manipulation, I entered, and then I entered on the retracement here, and then no, on the second or third retracement even. So here, where was it? No, we closed above it here, and then I was thinking the whole time, or I think I actually ended on here, which was actually earlier because we closed a few times already. So I entered on here, and then I thought, oh shit, on this here I thought, oh shit, this isn't my rules, I should wait for another manipulation and then seek higher. So I entered basically at the top here, went in long, and immediately got stopped out. So second loss there, which was by my rules, but I wasn't even thinking really good. So yeah, shouldn't have been a trade there. So took 2 losses there, and then yeah, then it was already wrong. I shouldn't have been taking more than 2 losses. I should be off the charts, but I knew that there was going to be a setup, even though we didn't even get it, so I didn't know it. Yeah, now there was a point where I just ignored my rules. I wanted to make my money back. I was thinking about the money, not about the process, and that's where it all went wrong. So yeah, that's how I lost my account. So 5 minutes is not a singular one. We had a 50-minute singular one, and if he disrespect the singular one, but I'm still bullish, I drag optimal trade entry from the range. We do have a big wick. I drag optimal trade entry from the range, and from there I want to see a retracement of like optimal trade entry. So we open here at 14, so I was waiting here at 14. We got a really big push to the upside here, so I was looking at this. And 13.49, we do have like a singular inversion here, which is really clean on a 2 minute, but we didn't get it, so I did follow my rules there. So waited after 51, we didn't get it, so I thought, okay, we wait, and we took this high here, so I thought, yeah, we're really bullish. And then we opened at 2 without printing a wick, so that's why I was still long after that drop. So we print a high without a wick, then we drop all the way lower, and now we had an SMT at the lows. Here we got an SMT at the lows, but this should already be the time that we will go back again. So if this got in first, then I would have expected buy side liquidity, but we didn't get the reaction already from there. When we didn't get that, I should have already been off the charts. You can see we wrecked off optimal trade entry as well. I should already be off the charts here, but yeah, we went even lower, and I still just looking for longs when we're bearish. So we sweep equal lows, looking at this, get in first, we didn't get it, we went even lower. went even lower, and I'm still looking for longs. So just keep on looking for longs again and again, which is so bad. And here I just like extend my rules, like make it look good for myself, even though it isn't. Then went even lower, and then we still had oh yeah, this was like the last setup that was fine by the rules. So I think did we have an SMT here? I think, did we? Oh no, we didn't even have an SMT here, but still we sweep these equal lows. I'm still looking for longs here. Oh no, I should have been, this was like the last good trade here. So we sweep these equal lows, rect off optimal trade entry. We should inverse this if we're just really bullish. I think we had, yeah, I think we had the SMT there. Oh yeah, this was the SMT here. Yeah, so this was like the last opportunity. If we inverse this, then that would be the best long, one of the best longs I've ever had. But we didn't get that, and we went even lower. And this was the direction of the last optimal trade entry, and went even lower. And once this gets broken there, like we go even lower than this, I should have been off the chart. So I should have been off the chart here already, and I still looked here. So here we had that SIBI, and what I did is, oh, I saw we closed above. I was still looking for the hope that I had, which wasn't valid, of course. I was extending this. I was looking at like if I lost like 800 that day. I was looking at I was looking at my daily loss limit as well. I think I had like 300 bucks left. And then I looked at like how can I get the most out of this, and I was looking at the mini charts, and I was taking one mini contract. I can't even log in here. I was looking at one mini contract, and that would have been 280 bucks. So that would have been alright. So I was calculating this like, alright, if I extend my TP to this, I would make 2500. So I would bring back the losses, and I would be in a plus, and yeah, that would be good. So I was thinking about the money, not the process, and that just get punished here. Because if I just reverse my position, if I went here, if I went long instead of short, if I went short instead of long here, then that would, look at this, if I would have been short here, and even if it didn't take out this high, if I went short here, look at that. That's just crazy. But yeah, it just gets punished. I think that's God, of course. But yeah, so look for longs again, even after disrespecting this optimal trade, and I shouldn't even been on the charts there, and I totally blew the account. But it's really sticking in my head as well that on Top Step Trading View that you can only go in with 5 micros or 5 minis, so you don't really get your risk set good. I want to risk 0.75%, and that would take me four total trades, and then I'll be out of the challenge account. But it would also take me, what is it? How much can I make? 6%. So it makes me like 4 trades as well, and then and then I've passed the challenge, of course. So I think that's really good without wasting too much monthly fees and stuff. So I think that's a really good thing, but you can really calculate your risk if you only can put on 5 marcos or 5 minis. 1 mini is most of the time it's going to be too much, and you can take partials. 2 minis is definitely too much, and 5 micros can be like nothing. It can be 0.4% risk if it's a normal setup. It can be 4% risk, and it just totally blows my risk to reward, how I want to make it happen, how I want to do it in future. So I just want to have the Top Step X. I don't want to think about the risk. I just want to execute my my system and don't have to worry about anything. So yeah, tomorrow we again have, we still have this 4-hour wick, by the way, or 4-hour candle wick. Yeah, for tomorrow I'm still looking for really bullish prices because of the narrative I gave. I'm not calling tops or bottoms in a bullish or bearish market. I just trade what the market wants to show me. I didn't today because of that optimal trade. I didn't there, but the market still shows me that we inverse this on ES, and we made a singular abyss here, and from there we got a reaction higher. So I think this low is protected. Maybe NQ could take out that low and then ES goes higher, but I don't know. I'm still really bullish. Yeah, look at also this trend line here. It's it is broken, of course, but look at that. It's just not this one here. Okay, so we have 3 taps of the trend line. So once here, twice here, and then we broke this trend line. And now maybe that's where I went wrong. We broke the trend line here. This is the support of the trend line, and then we went lower. Maybe that was like a trade in its own, but yeah, I'm going against this. It just lowers. It's just lowers this liquidity run. We have a lot of equal highs above there. It looks still really bullish, and yeah, that's why I'm for tomorrow still bullish. But yeah, just didn't get it today. Yeah, blew the account. What did I learn from this? It's just again those habits. It's not. I didn't really learn anything. It's just it's just unfortunate first trade like that already went to my head. Like taking a loss on that one tick trade, that's already in my head. Wasn't really, but yeah, still kind of is. And then that second trade was like, damn, like I'm so stupid. I just thought that was my rule, and I totally forgot my rule. So maybe I need to look more at my rules, because I wrote it down, or not. I didn't wrote it down. Maybe I just gonna write it down right now, actually, after this video, because that's how I remember things. I did take it into my journal, which is on Notion, and I don't remember it that much as writing it down, because if you write it down, you write it letter by letter, you read it again, you read it in your head again, like you're reading it out loud, and you just remember it like twice as good, 3 times as good as just putting in or typing it in. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do after this. Pretty disappointed that I blew it again, but I think this should help me a lot, actually, with the risk management. It's just executing my system. I think that really helps a lot, because if I blew it by taking 4 losses and I follow my rules, then I think it's fine. I would rather lose my account with taking all the valid trades and it will be all losses than, of course, breaking my system. I want to keep following my system. If I look at my back testing results, like, it's so good. How can I not do this in the markets? It's just all psychology. So tomorrow will be a trading day, then it will be weekend. If I take a loss tomorrow, so be it. I'm just gonna stick by my rules. Yeah, that's it. So yeah.